Okay, well, the last couple of days I thought it would be fun to try and make a corset, and I did, and then I found, well, I pulled up the pattern from the internet. It didn't cost much, I think $5-6. And then I found that, this is the medium size. Normally I would take small, but anyway, turns out that didn't work, but I didn't finish it until after I made the second one. And this one is still not completely finished. Unfortunately, I have developed a belly, and I'm not terribly top heavy, so the top was fine, but around the waistline was just didn't work for me. So I modified the pattern, and I made a second one with, unfortunately, a wider waistline. I put the eyelets in, made a, what do they call this one? A modesty panel, which I thought was cute. Wasn't part of the panel, but I heard about it elsewhere, so I made it as well. And still need to get some ribbon, and then it'll be finished. And on top of that, I decided to make it into a full outfit. So I've got this skirt, which is a gathered skirt. And because I am working on getting rid of some of the belly, I checked the internet and found a method of being able to modify the waistband. Now, once again, we'll put eyelets here, and you can tie this. And it's got this panel here so that you can either give yourself an extra inch or two, or you can tighten it up. And it all works, and it's all safe and secure. So this was a fun thing to make. I have no idea where I'm going to wear it. I will try to wear it at some point, but we'll see. Definitely, it's been a long time since I sewed any clothing, and I really like the idea of making the corset. I'm a little lukewarm on it, on the shoulder straps, the way they work, but when I get the ribbon, maybe I'll like it a little bit better. So, oh, and of course, I injured myself like an idiot. I used a rotary cutter, and the blade had gotten dull, and it's not as though I didn't have any new ones, but I pressed a little bit hard and pushed, and it jumped off and hit my finger instead. So yeah, I'm really sore. It bled like crazy, but the bleeding has stopped, and I'm just trying to keep it dry and allow it to heal at this point. But such is life. Injuries will happen. Anyway, as I said, this was a fun pattern, and I am keeping this. I did decide to finish the small one. In case I do lose my waistline, it'll work better. And I am working hard on trying to get rid of the belly. I don't know if I'll succeed, but yeah, it's amazing how this last year, from very little activity, I have really put it on around the waist. I was actually shocked at how much thicker I look around the waist. Okay, there might be a bit of noise here because I've got competing units. I've got the freeze dryer on one end, and I've got the air conditioning window unit at the other end of this room. So yeah, I'm in the middle of all this humming. So I apologize for that. Here is the first batch of freeze-dried strawberries, and yeah, 2 half-gallon jars, 1 quart jar. There was a 2nd quart jar, but Mark already ate those. And I've got another batch in the freeze dryer that'll probably take up, at least another half-gallon and a quart. So that's, I don't think they'll last long in this house anyway.